I am Showman Bura Shubal, aka Asaman Shubal. Today I will be showcasing one of my projects that I have recently done. The project is done in Laravel, as you can see, and it was done for the Fortune team. It's a company. We had four of their projects, and I was in the main charge of this solar Fortune Solar Wave, as you can see from the name Fortune Solar Beauty. So it's it's running on my it's already running on my local host. Uh, as you can see, let's get to the code. As you can see, the project is like delivered 28 days ago, but after that we had a few bugs and fixes that is not included in this git. Also, I could just have shared the git link, but as the project belongs to a company or an industry, the terms and condition doesn't allow me to show the project, and also I didn't want to make this project from private to public. In the contributor section, you can see we have two contributors, but from the commit, you can see that all the commits are mine. I have worked solely on this project and did a lot of things. So as you can see, though there are four projects, but each of us worked on different projects on fixing the minor bugs. Sometimes we did a minor fixes. So the I did the backend for the system, but the front end was done by our designer team, especially our Onduai, who is the boss of the designing section. So as you can see, these are some dummy images that will be updated on their main server. So this is the front end. This is the certificate section. This is the product section here. You will see category, then there will be added the subcategories as well. And this section is for blocks. This is for facts. And this section is for contact. The image is missing, I guess. Sorry for that. And this section is the about section. Okay, let's go to the admin panel, and it's running on the live server. I just could have shared the live server link, but as it totally depends on the Fortune Solar. If they can, if they wish, they can just remove the project. So, but I needed something for myself to showcase. As you can see, they have changed a lot of things here. Uh, as you can see, they have added many categories too. And in the contact section, let's did we add anyone? No, it's the missing image is found here. So also also that when you are viewing the live project, you cannot see the admin panel or backend. So as here I am to uh, describe the backend of this thing. So this is the product section. As you can see, what I have done here, this is the product category section. This is the list of product category. This icon like pencil acts like you can just edit them. Let me click it for you. You can change the priority. The lower is the higher priority here, just like 1 2 3 4. They have 7 category, and for each category they can add a subcategory. The thing in the bracket is the name of their category. It's like that. It's like the way they want it. Okay, and they have added category like demo, and the project is live. Okay, I have nothing to say. So these are the list of product that they have added there. 3 images. The image will be loaded too sooner. Yeah, it's loading. They have added many products, and to add a new product, you just type the name as and after selecting a category, the subcategories are loaded. This thing is done in Ajax for a better view. The design is not that good, but it works. So also this thing is for their certificates, though these are dummies. This thing is for their fairly asked questions, facts. The thing is question and the answer, and this thing is for their TBC. They can add several links that will be shown in the front end to the viewers, and press add. This thing is not done by me, so I don't know press image. This thing was this requirement was passed lately, so one of my teammate has done this thing as I was offline for a few days. This thing is news and events. I have already shown you, I guess. So news and events shows better in my. Sorry, there's none. If there was one, I could have shown you. I think this thing is for editing the net content. This means that the things that are top up here and down here, uh, as you can see, you can use come up to separate numbers. If there are like two numbers, this one and they have like another one, then you can simply just put it here. Then the projects things, so the project and the block thing is basically the same. I have used the tiny ID powered by tiny, as you can see. This isn't the registered version, they will register it later. So you can see this thing, the project thing as the block thing is the same. So as you can see, let me show you. The thing is the same. I am sure. So you can change it to a heading. Yeah, you can choose an image file from a folder, and here are the team members. This thing, the star thing, is the priority. They needed. This thing is not loaded yet. I guess I'm saying the word this thing again and again. And finally, I have a slider. I worked a bit on the slider, even starting from the design to development. They could have used better images. As you can see, this title thing is the title of this thing, and the the characters written in the small font is the subcategory subtitle. Sorry, subtitle. I have named it like that. So the amount of slider is fixed here. They can add 4 sliders. Either they cannot delete it. Just they can just update the images and the contents of the sliders. So they haven't updated anything yet. So let me just update one thing. You need to choose an image file too. If you are to update, you have to update each and everything. Okay, I forget, that should be noted that if there's a bug from me. So I guess I have shown you already the member thing, and there are finally I have added a thing that was not required, I guess, but I have added as this thing as a fanciness. This is the activity log, like admin with IP address, something deleted, this thing was created, this thing was deleted, and the whole activity log from the site. Well, that's all for today, and you can see the cPanel. There are 34 products and 2 projects and 3 blocks and 7 members, and This thing is the base views. The highest views is 4, the lowest is 1. uh, that is counted daily, so they have 4 views today including me, and average they have 3 views. It should be upgraded. Okay, well, that's all for today. Hope my showcasing is good enough to be on YouTube. Even if it's not, who cares? See you tomorrow. Bye.